Hello guys, hope you all are fine. So welcome to my channel, specifically to this video guys, because in this video I'm going to show you why you should learn Python this year and beyond guys. So how worth to learn Python in this year and the many years to come. As we all know that Python is a high level general purpose programming language. We all know that. So it is a general purpose programming language that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. And in these videos, we will take a look at the many benefits of learning Python and why it is worth and why it is worth your time, guys. So before further ado, guys, consider subscribing to this channel. Smash the like button to give this video appreciation, guys. Give this video thumbs up, and we appreciate more your support, guys. We always come up with the great content to you. So we appreciate more your support, guys, and let's jump in. Okay, the first part we are going to look on why Python it is worthwhile when to take Python this year and many years to come. It is regarding versatility of Python. Python is a versatile language that can be used for a wide variety of tasks, including web development, data analysis, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and more. It is a versatility is one of its biggest advantage because it enables developers to write code for different purposes without having to switch to another language. As for example, if you are a web developer, you can use Python to create dynamic web pages, build applications, and automate website testing. If you are a data analyst, you can use Python to analyze larger data sets, lead data visualizations, and build predictive models. If you are interested in artificial intelligence and machine learning, then Python is a popular language for developing AI and machine learning applications, guys. So the the second part of the why you should take Python this year, guys, is that regarding popularity of the Python. Python is one of the most popular programming language in the world. It is easy to learn, has a larger and supportive community, and is used by big name companies like Google, Facebook, and Amazon. Python's popularity means that there are many resources available to help you learn the language there, from online tutorials to books and courses. The popularity of Python also means that there is a high demand for Python developers. According to the TORB index, Python is the third most popular programming language in the world after Java and C. In fact, Python was the fastest growing programming language in 2020, but also this trend is expected to continue in this current years and beyond, guys. So the second part you need on why you should take Python this year and beyond, guys, is that regarding the career opportunities with Python. Learning Python can open up a wide range of career opportunities. As we mentioned earlier, guys, in this video, many big names companies use Python, which means that there are high demands for Python developers. Additionally, Python is used in many industries, including finance, healthcare, and retail. So the job opportunities are not limited to a specific field, guys. For example, if you are interested in finance, you can use Python to build financial models, analyze market data, and create trading algorithms. If you are interested in healthcare, you can use Python to analyze medical data, building healthcare applications, and develop medical imaging software. If you're interested in retail, you can use Python to create recommender systems, analyze customer data, and automate inventory management, guys. So the part number four, guys, why you should take Python this year and many years to come, guys, that's regarding the easy of the Python. So the Python it is easy to learn Python, guys. Python is a great language for beginners because it is easy to learn. The syntax is simple and easy to understand. And then there are many resources available for learning the language. Additionally, Python has a lot of built-in functions and the libraries that make it easier to write code and get things done. For example, guys, let's say you want to create a simple program that calculates the area of a circle in Python. You can do this with just few lines of code as you see on your screen, guys. So with just simple few lines of code, you got all the things done, guys. So as you can see, the syntax is very readable and and intuitive. You don't need to know a lot of programming jargon or syntax to get started with Python. The part five, guys, on why you should take Python this year, guys, regarding the supportive community with Python, guys. So Python has a large and supportive community that is always willing to help new users. The community is very active, and there are many resources available for learning the language and solving problems. The Python community also has a culture of open source development, which means that there are many libraries and tools available that you can use for absolutely free, guys. For example, if you are working on data analysis project, you can use libraries like NumPy, also pandas, and they manipulate and analyze data. If you are working on a web development project, you can use frameworks like Django and a Flask to build the web applications, guys. So the Python community has also developed many open sources machine learning libraries such as TensorFlow and the PyTorch that you can use to build advanced AI and the machine learning models, guys. So the part number six, on why it is worth to learn Python this year, guys, is regarding the future-proof language of the Python. So Python is a future-proof language that is constantly evolving and improving. The Python community is very active, and the new features are updated and updates are released regularly. This means that learning Python is a smart investment in your future because you will be able to keep up with the latest trends and the technologies, guys. For example, the current version of the Python was released with the several new features, including improved the error messages, improved the type checking, and the new syntax for structure pattern for for structural for structural pattern matching. So these new features make it easier to write code and improve the performance of Python application. So also, while Python is relatively easy language to learn, there are a few things that people should keep in mind when starting to learn Python. So here in this video are tips that can help you to make the most of your learning experience. The tip number one, you need to understand the basics. Python has a simple and easy to learn syntax, but that doesn't mean that you should jump right into advanced topics without understanding the basics. Before diving into more complex topics like OOP, object oriented programming, or web development, make sure that you have a strong foundation in fundamental concepts like data types, control structures, functions, and modules. And the tip number two, you need to practice regularly, guys. Consistent practice is the key to becoming proficient in any programming language, and the Python is no exception. Try to practice writing code every day, even if it is just for a few minutes. You can use online coding challenges, coding tutorials, and coding projects to keep your skills sharp. Also, tip number three now, learn from examples. There are many resources available online that can help you to learn Python, such as tutorials, videos, and code examples. Learning from examples is an effective way to understand how Python works and how to apply Python to different use cases. There are many websites like GitHub, Stack Overflow, and Reddit where you can find code example and ask questions if you get stuck. Tip number four, you need to stay up to date. As mentioned earlier, guys, in this video, Python is an evolving language, guys. That means that there are regular updates, new features, and the libraries being added to the language. So to stay up to date, subscribe to Python blogs, follow Python developers on social media, and attend Python events and conferences. Keep yourself informed about the latest development in the Python can help you to stay ahead of the curve. And then the tip number five, guys, is all the way joining a community. You need to join a community, guys. So Python has a large and active community that is ready to help you. If you get stuck or have a questions, you can find Python communities on social media platforms like Facebook, Reddit, or Discord. So you can also join online forums or chat groups. Contributing to community is also a good way to learn and improve your Python skills. And the tip number six, guys, now have fun. Finally, it is essential to remember that learning Python can be a fun and rewarding experience. Python is an enjoyable language to work with, and there are many interesting projects you can work on, whether it's building a chatbot, creating a web application, or analyzing data. Finding a project that you are passionate about can help motivate you and learn to grow your Python skills, guys. So overall, guys, learning Python is a great investment in your future. Python is a versatile language that can be used for a wide range of tasks, from web development to artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python is also one of the most popular programming language in the world now. In the world, we all know that, which means that there is a high demand for Python developers. Learning Python is easy because the syntax is simple and there are many resources available. The Python community is also very supportive, guys, which means that you will have plenty of help if you are learning into problems. Finally, Python is a future-proof language that is constantly evolving and improving. So if you're looking to learn a programming language this year and beyond, we highly recommend that you choose Python, guys. So thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section down below. Consider subscribing to this channel and smash the like button to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, and let me see you in the next video, guys. 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 Next video, guys.